Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to install LED DRL lights on my Isuzu Dmax Vcross. So we are under the hood, and the things we needed is a set of pliers, LED DRL lights of your choice, and what we have to do is we have to open this fuse box, pressing the lock inwards and pull the lid. It's too easy to open this up. Here is the diagram of all the fuses and relays in the box, and as you can see, there is a empty slot for DRL1, this one, but as this model won't come with the DRL light, so it's empty and it's not having any kind of metal plates inside this socket. So what we'll do is we'll connect it with the starter cut. Here is the starter cut. Use this set of pliers to pull it out. Do not apply much pressure, as it will damage the Now what you have to do is, this is your relay, and you have to connect the positive wire with this left strip, this one. So what we will do, we will insert this positive wire into the socket. Like this, and we'll put back this relay again. And we'll connect this negative terminal, this negative wire, to the negative terminal of the battery. And as you can see, the DRL is not glowing. What we have to do is we have to switch on the ignition. We'll not start up the engine, we'll just switch on the ignition. Okay, and you'll see it glows up. So it's pretty easy, but if you don't know anything about electricals, wirings and electronics, so it's not advisable to do it on your own. As I removed out the key and it goes off. Okay, ciao people, thanks for watching.